Okay, so now we are going to do about the Constitution of India and scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and other backward groups. The Republic of India adopted its own constitution. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar played an important role as the chairman of the drafting committee, appointed to prepare a draft constitution. They solemnly resolved to constitute India a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic and a republic, and made provision for justice, liberty, equality and fraternity. So we all know that India is a republic state, right? We have rules and regulations that are equally divided for the people, wherein some decisions are taken by the central government, that is the Delhi government, the main government, and some decisions are taken by the state government. This is what republic means, where laws or where rules, regulations, powers are equally divided among the government of the state and of the central government. Okay. Now, the main task of making the constitution. What is constitution? It is a book that contains all the rules, all the regulations, your acts, your articles, and it's basically a book which tells you on how to rule a country, how a country should rule, what is a country, it basically tells us about a particular country. So the Constitution of India was drafted by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Okay, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar played the main role in making of the constitution. Okay, now he had a committee. Okay, he had lot of people who helped him make the constitution, and finally he drafted the constitution, which said that India is a sovereign state. Okay, sovereign state meaning we are a state that is ruled by the government, by democracy, where we elect people and we give votes, and that is how we select the rightful person needed to do the work. It's a socialist country. Socialist country means what? It's a philosophy wherein we believe that work should be equally divided among everyone. If I am capable of getting a particular job, I should be getting a particular job. Okay, socialist. Secular means we have no one religion. We have so many religion in India. We do not have one national religion. No, we have all the religions who come and work together. We are a democratic country. Democratic country meaning if I feel particular leader is a good leader, then I will vote for that person. Like, right, we do not have Rajaशाही. Rajaશાही એટલે પેલા રાજાઓ હતા, રાઈટ, કે આ રાજા મરી જાય તો એનો દીકરો રાજા બને, અને દીકરો એ રાજા બને, એ મરી જાય પછી એનો દીકરો રાજા બને. That is called monarchy, Rajaશાही. So India there is no Rajaशाही, there is democracy. We have so many political parties who fight for election and then we vote for them. In the constitution, certain groups are given special benefits. For example, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, socially and educationally backward groups, in addition to special provisions made by the minorities. Now, in the Constitution of India, we know and we have studied that scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, other backward caste and minorities. Minorities meaning people who belong to minority religion, that is your Muslims, your Christians, your Jews, your Parsis. All these people get some special benefits, and this is how the Constitution of India is.